Hello. Today I'd like to walk you through how you can take any PDF article or document and attach it into an assignment on Schoology. So I've taken the PDF for the article that I'd like to assign today, a mammoth find, and I've already placed that into my Google Drive by simply dragging that into the Drive window. I'm going to go ahead first and grab the shareable link here by copying that link. I'll come over to Schoology where I have my pre-set up assignment already created. And I have two places that I'd like to attach this article. First is here on the link space. I'll go ahead and click link, paste that link, and I'm going to make one minor change. I'm going to take everything from view to the right and change it to copy. What that does is creates a copy of this PDF for each learner. That way they have their own individual and they can grab that and make changes as they need to. Now that I've given that a title and gone ahead and clicked attach, I'm going to show you the second space where I'd like to add this PDF. So I have my directions here in the description, and I'm going to this time use Insert Content and the Google Drive Resource app to go ahead and attach this as a resource. So once the Drive app populates my Google Drive, I can search for that article. I found it here at the top. I've checked it off, and now I'll use Import, and I'm going to go ahead and import the link. And now I have this link to the article, which is also embedded directly in line. If I wanted to use that same make a copy format, I can go ahead and hit link, which will pull up the link. I'll go ahead and change everything from view to the right again to copy and just update that link. And now when learners click either of those links that are available to them in Schoology, they'll have their own copy of that PDF article. They can follow the directions to my assignment and then turn that in. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.